no place to go. Let it snow, let it snow.
Hey friend, it's Katie and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So you can subscribe, the button is always down below. Post video, lifestyle panning, and more. And welcome to Vlogmas day 12. And today's video is going to be my Ipsy bagging. This is what this month's bag looks like, which I'm obsessed with because I'm like obsessed with rose gold. Like it's my favorite thing, if you know, because so many rose gold hints in my bedroom. If you know, you know. But yes, super rose gold and very metallic-y and pretty, which is my favorite. And of course, it's December bag. If you do not subscribe to Ipsy, I do have a link down below that everyone gets as an Ipsy subscriber and stuff. It's linked down below, but if you don't subscribe, you don't know. So Ipsy has like, I guess like 3 different subscriptions. So they have just a regular glam bag, which is what this is. That retails for like $12 a month, but I believe at the end of this month, it's going up to $13. And then the glam bag plus, which is like all full size items, that retails I believe for $28. And then they have a quarterly seasonally glam bag X, which I believe retails for $55. And to get that, you have to be subscribed to one of the other 2 glam bag options. So either the glam bag or the glam bag plus. And yeah, that's your little information on Ipsy. And then every month you get a card. And this month's theme is Time to Shine, which is super exciting and stuff. And I'm actually pretty excited about my bag and stuff. So let's just get right into it. Like I said, this is what the bag looks like. It's honestly one of my faves. I'm gonna start with some of the more random products that I will not be trying on. I'm not gonna do like a full try on this month. I'm just not. But the first thing I got in my bag is this Hava Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream in Sea Kissed. It's supposed to be a rich hand cream that drenches your hands in velvety softness while rain and floral notes awaken your senses for a sea kissed. I don't know, it's good for sensitive skin. I did try this the other day. To me, it smells like coconut, but I love getting, yeah, it does smell like, I don't know. Like the other day I was like, is this coconut? Because I love beachy scents. It does kind of just smell like a fresh floral-y scent, but the other day I could have sworn I smelled coconut. I don't know, maybe I was just feeling that vibe, but it's just super nice. And that is a deluxe size sample, but the full size, the 100 ml bottle retails for $24. It just says it's made with Dead Sea water, aloe vera, and essential minerals, and it's good for like dry, cracked heels too. And then the other product I won't be like demoing, I suppose, is this hair product. This is the Context Keratin Recovery Treatment. I did end up choosing this as my sample, but this is a deluxe size sample, and it retails, the full size, the 120 ml bottle retails for $35. It says not all protein treatments are created equal. Some can actually leave hair feeling more dry and brittle, wet. This is from Context Skin. It is made with the perfect balance of proteins and nutrients to help hair feeling stronger, smoother, and less damaged too. Tip is to work through just shampooed hair, leave on for 2 minutes, and rinse thoroughly. I didn't know you were supposed to like put this on and then rinse it out, because the other day I used it as a leave-in treatment and stuff. Yeah, I totally just used this as if it were a leave-in treatment the other day. And I mean, my hair didn't look greasy afterwards doing that, but I am going to try this the next time I wash my hair, which I believe will be tonight. And I'm going to try putting this on after shampoo and letting it sink in for 2 minutes and then rinsing it out and see what that does for my hair. But I totally used this as a leave-in treatment the other day, and you know, my hair is looking pretty good. Like it just definitely like looked more shiny, but like not in a greasy way, like in a good way. So I don't know. Yeah, I have only used this once, but I enjoyed it the time I did use it. Maybe if I use it the way they recommend, it will look better. So we'll see on that. So next in my bag, I got a highlighter, which I'm always excited for. Like, I probably have way too many highlighters and I'm always adding more into my collection, but I really like this color. So this is the YC collection Light in the Dark Highlight in Coin, and this is what it looks like. It's super pretty. I'm gonna swatch it, even though I'm gonna put it on my face, but it's just a very pretty like golden color, and I am super excited to use this. I do have a little bit of highlighter already on my face. That's pretty. But I figured, like, I always do cream and then sometimes set with powder, so that's what today I'm gonna do. Okay, that does like so like light diffusing pretty. Like, ooh, yes, we live. I love it. Highlight is probably like one of my favorite things. I even like put it in my inner corner to brighten there. That is very pretty. I'm definitely living for this, and like I'm applying so much, but it doesn't look heavy. So pretty. Like, so, I hate saying this, like blinding, very extremely glowy. I just hate saying blinding because like no highlight is gonna make you go blind. Like, that's ridiculous. Like I said, that's a YC collection highlighter in Coin, and it's a Serious Shimmer meets Serious Hydration. The highlighter instantly illuminates your favorite features with micro rose gold fine pigments. Okay, that's why I like it. Plus it delivers long-lasting moisture thanks to the moisture of vitamin E and plant oils. You can use this with your fingers, a sponge, or a brush, and it's a deluxe sample, but the full-size 11-gram product retails for $16, so actually not like super pricey, which I like. Two more things to try. So the next thing is full size. So I got a brush from the Beauty Crop, and it is so pretty, like cotton candy vibes. Yes, this is the Beauty Crop Pineapple powder brush, and at the F2203. When we get your hands on a makeup brush, it's pretty effective and we never let go. Use this ombre pink blue powder brush to use loose powder, setting powder, powder foundation, blush, bronzer, and to set makeup and shine throughout the day. It's a full size and retails for $12. I think it's super pretty. I was kind of like getting a powder brush, but honestly this looks like a perfect blush, bronzer, like I mentioned, brush and stuff. And I'm actually going to use it with a little blush. I already put some on. I used a cream, but I kind of want to set with a powder. Oh yeah, that's good. Like, it just like, it's super soft, first off. Second off, it just blends like very well. And I like to sometimes blend blush into highlight just to make it more natural. Oh yeah, that. But honestly, I see this being perfect for bronzer. I even want to use it with that. So definitely gonna use this more, but super soft. I'm loving how soft it is and how blendable that just was. We are living for that. And then the last thing I have to try is a mascara, which I hate that this has come to this because I literally have like, this is gonna be my third mascara open right now and stuff, but like I think a couple of them are running low, so I'll be like emptying those soon. But this is the Tarte Sea Surfer Curl Mascara. This is a volumizing mascara. It says stop struggling for lash curler. Grab this instead. A few swipes up, open up your lashes for a wide-eyed look. The long-wearing mascara formula gives even the teeniest lash lift, volume, and length while conditioning them with the marine algae and vitamin E. Their tip is to wiggle mascara through your lashes using a zigzag motion for maximum coverage. This is deluxe size, but the full size retails for $23. So this is what it looks like. This is what the brush looks like. So kind of just your standard brush, but I'm slightly excited to try this and stuff. I guess coat my lashes with this. Okay. It gave a good curl right off the bat. I hardly ever use a lash curler. I I just like never do. It does look good. I'm like, I don't know, I'm not like a big volume mascara person. I like more lengthening and stuff. Like I like volume, but like I also sometimes find it doesn't give like that much. So either like a combo, which is kind of why I usually combine mascaras. Like I will grab a volume one and grab a length one, and I will use both. But I don't want to judge it too soon because it's basically just one coat. I do think this is like not like a super dry formula, but slightly drier, and I haven't used a Tarte mascara in a while. Their mascaras used to be like some of my favorites and stuff. Now I'm gonna do it on this side. Boo boo. I guess that's zigzag. I don't know. Okay, so it's like a coat on my lashes. This is always my better. I don't know why these eyelashes curl better, but I'm gonna try it and go for another coat on my other eye. Yeah, I don't know. I really do like it. It's just not like an ultimate favorite, but I do think it's really good. It's making my lashes look really good. I'm just not like super sold on it, but it's really good mascara, I think, for, I don't know. It's just, it looks good. It looks nice, but definitely not like a, I don't know. It's definitely one I'm gonna have to like just try out more. Okay, so mini review on the bag, or I guess my like impressions on the December 2021, the last glam bag of the year. So really liked the keratin treatment the one time I tried it. I did use it wrong, but it actually looks really good. Like I've noticed my hair looks really good the next day. So I'm definitely gonna use this again, but use it right. And I guess I'll keep you guys updated on Instagram stories. So follow me over there at Katiexobeauty YT. And then the hand cream. You have a hand cream. I did really like this. I do really like this, and it's a really good hand cream. The brush I really liked, and I can't wait to use this more. I'm gonna try it with bronzer next and see how I feel about that. But so far so good. I like how soft it is. And the highlight, I really like that, and I can't wait to use this more. It's just so pretty, so I can't wait to use that more. And the mascara, like I just said, I'm definitely gonna have to try it out more, but I do like the volume it did give my lashes. It's just not like, I don't think it's gonna be my ultimate favorite mascara. And yeah, that's gonna be it for my December glam bag. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you got in your bags and stuff like that, and be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, I will see you tomorrow for another day of Vlogmas. Bye.